Hi, I'd like to show you a quick tool that is available for VPN protected laptops. In our environment, we use Zscaler as a VPN, and oftentimes we have a locally installed laptop, Atom, and we would like to sometime interrogate that, see traffic there, and so forth. A lot of times we have installed also Wireshark, which allows us to monitor the network traffic. But as you can see, when Wireshark launches, it shows the different devices that it's able to read, and you can see the traffic is on Wi-Fi as well as adapter for the local host. So in this case, the Wi-Fi would show traffic that may be going to the platform, but local traffic would be reserved for the loopback connection. So we have to choose one or two, not both. So that somewhat limits us, and we see that these ports are open locally on our for our Atom. So one way to do that is use the capabilities for Zscaler. Zscaler, you can open that, and it will. If you click more, then you can see there's a section for troubleshooting. So here it shows that we're capturing traffic. So let's just stop this and then clear the logs and then start a new capture, just to show that we take the defaults of 5 minutes, 1 gig, and then we'll just start the capture. So now it's capturing traffic for both the local network interface as well, or the loopback interface, as well as the Wi-Fi. So we should have enough there. Let me just send a couple of requests via Postman to my local port, so we can do that a couple of times to get those two sessions. So now we can stop the traffic, and then we will just simply export the logs. I put in a folder here, so I just click on that, and now it's exporting the logs. So once those logs are there, we can open up, it creates a zip file where we open that file up, and then we can look at traffic from both devices. So I'll show you that in a second, as soon as the export finishes. So for instance, here, just to show you, further demonstrate, if I did a filter for the port 9091, which is the local port, there is no traffic there, even if I send request to that port and getting a response. So that shows you that the Wi-Fi, I can't actually read that traffic on the local loopback. So it shouldn't take too much longer for the capture to finish, and then we can look at those logs and review what Zscaler is able to do. So I'm just waiting another minute, a second, hopefully, and that should be finishing soon. So it creates a zip file, as I said, and then once we expand that, then we can see all of the traffic captured. So there's the file. So if we extract this file that was created, we will see two files that we can use in the folder. This capture adapters is the file that we typically use. So when you open that, now you open this up with Wireshark. And as before, where I had the port that didn't show any information, here you can see that it does show the requests going in and being processed by the local Atom. Thank you for your time, and hope this was helpful.